Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to download Instagram Reel videos in Telegram without a bot. Open your browser like Google Chrome or Firefox and search instagram.com in the search bar. Open Instagram and log into your account by adding your credentials. Go to the Reels options located on the left side of the screen. You will see three dots icon on the right side of the video. Click on the three dots icon and then click on copy link to copy the link of the video. In the new tab, search web.telegram.org and log into your account by adding your credentials. Again, in the new tab, search anydownloader.com and paste the URL of the video there. Click on download and again click download. After finishing the download, you can watch the video in the download section of your PC. Once the video is downloaded to your device, open Telegram and navigate to the chat or channel where you want to share the video. Click on the attachment icon and select File to upload the downloaded video from your device to Telegram. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.